Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are looking good. We are missing the chat. Where's the chat at? Hold on. I'm going to pull the chat up here. We got Maurice first in the... Nope. It looked like Maurice, but then I could scroll up even further. We got Frank first in the chat. Frank, Biggable, Frank, Tim, Biggable, Maurice, Biggable. We got Tim, Kai, Biggable, Bender, Biggable, Giovanni, Biggable, Giovanni, Bender, Biggable, Frank, Giovanni, Chris, Maurice, Biggable, Giovanni, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $4.49 per share, down just 1.59% after, or 51% after it was down more this morning, right? Yeah. It declined this morning down to about $4.26. Currently sitting at $4.49. Shiba Inu coin trying its best to bounce its way back up, sitting at 947 points per coin. It is down 1.15% on the day today. GameStop not doing as well. GameStop $14.17. Bitcoin. All right, man. Bitcoin bouncing back all afternoon. Coming off these $48,300 lows to $49,500. That's a $1,200 gain on Bitcoin right there. Down just 1% on the day today. Inflation data, what? NASDAQ actually bouncing back a little bit this afternoon as well. 15,551 all the way back up to 15,655. So the NASDAQ having a nice little close or nice little rally into the close there to only close, and I say this lightly, 1.80% lower. It was down like 2.40% or something like that a little bit earlier when I was watching it. So yeah, bouncing back nicely into the close there. Dogecoin, 8.1 cents. Ethereum, $2,632. Shiba Inu coin, $9.46. Bitcoin, $49,411. The SPY, $4.94. Nice little rally. QQQ, $4.28. Nice little rally. Molinado, ooh, not a nice rally. $6.98. Down 9.35% on the day. Sundial, $1.33. Netflix, $5.54. You've got Highcroft Mining, $1.93. MPW, $3.52. Tesla, $184. Amazon, ooh, $168, down 2+%. Apple, $185.04 on Apple. Apple, one of the things that's causing the rally into the close there. Apple bouncing back nicely, and of course the overall market bouncing back nicely. Guys, I didn't realize this, right? I didn't realize this, but I now know that you cannot leave a glass of water sit. Listen, I have left this glass of water, okay? I promise you, I don't, like, if I didn't have more than one cup, I'd be okay. Should probably have 2 cups just in case you break the 1 cup, but if I didn't have more than 1 cup, I would be okay. Now, I leave this cup in like the same exact spot every single day. I just drink out of it. It's always got water in it. When it doesn't have water in it, I fill it up. Well, now that I know I can no longer leave this cup in the same place. Now I know I need a cup with a lid, because this is what I captured is probably happening with my cup, or has been happening with my cup over the last couple of days. And I had no idea. Look at this. Look at this right here. Caught red-handed, man. Caught red-handed. So, oh, you know what? I have not taken a Zyrtec today. I do need to take a Zyrtec. You guys got to give me a second on that. I'm going to go take a Zyrtec. But look at this. I leave this cup there. I've left this cup there for I don't know how many years. I drink out of this cup, and now the cat thinks that it's drinking out of this cup. Now what do I do? Now do I get a new cup? Do I completely change my life by moving my cup to a different place? Oh, goodness. You guys, you do have to give me a second. I didn't take a Zyrtec today. I don't want to take one, which is, I mean, surprisingly, the turmeric might be working because I don't even feel any allergy symptoms, but I'm going to take one anyway, and then ease off of it maybe when I don't have to do a live stream. So watch Weeble for a second here, And I will be right back. Unauthorized hydration for the cat. Kai, 100% correct on that. It was definitely unauthorized hydration. Oh, you know what? No. I did just take that. Never mind. I think I did just take that Zyrtec. Hold on. Crap. Yeah, I did. Alright. False alarm. Never mind. Closet was closed. I was thinking about taking it before the live stream. I did take it. And we're good to go now. Hoy, T-Pad about to hit $16. Sold too early. Nah, Giovanni. We'll take a look at T-Pad here, man. If you think you sold too early, just wait until next week, man. T-Pad might be sitting back down at $11 next week. Yeah, 16.16. T-Pad pretty good right now. 24% gain on the day. But, dude, T-Pad might be back down to $12 later today. I mean, you've seen it here so many times over the last month. Tabbing the 16, right back down to 9. Tabbing the 16, right back down. Hey, Giovanni, if it does come back down to 9, man, let me know, because you watch it more than I do. But if it does come back down to that $9, $10 range, I'll jump in on some. We'll make a little bit of money on it, all right? I don't plan on holding it long term, but I might make some and then take the investment out and leave the rest ride, dude. Maybe we'll have a little bit of a pendulum moment right there. But T-Pad's setting up a nice channel. I'll jump in that channel if you keep your eye on it and let me know. It's not something I'm going to be watching every day. Sorry. Is anyone else having trouble with the chat? Tim, I had some trouble earlier with the live stream, man, so I could definitely understand if you're having trouble with the chat. Everything just crashed earlier. Everything crashed. My whole computer restarted. So I don't know if it's YouTube specific and messing things up today or what the deal is. But yeah, my computer restarted earlier so I could see it. Let's see. What? Why are you using your cat's cup? Oh gosh, dude. The problem is, I don't know if she's been drinking out of that cup for like the last, I don't know what she's doing down there right now. Oh boy, dude, I have been drinking out of my cat's cup. And I guess that's just what it's gonna be, man. Claybro is kitty whipped. Yes, I am, man. That kitty's got me whipped right there. And for everybody who doesn't know what the heck we're talking about right now, this is what the heck we're talking about right now. I come down, and where's it at? Oh, here it is. Caught red-handed, man. Caught red-handed. Right there in my cup, too. Right there in my cup. My goodness. I mean, on one hand, it's, you know, she is kind of cute, but on the other hand, nah, dude, you can't be drinking out of my cup like that. We don't mess around. Roth long-term retirement portfolio combined to close down 1.49% today. Not bad. You beat the overall market, Frank. The overall market was down 1.80+%. AMDY Green, in today's champion of the portfolio, DSO, took premiums from the MPW cash or cover call, and plus a few spare dollars and bought some more shares. There you go, Frank. Going for another 100 shares of MPW. Very, very good. MPW, man, if they keep up their dividend, if they don't drop their dividend, everybody needs to be aware that MPW is not only paying a ridiculous 17% dividend, you can also make crazy good premiums by selling these covered calls as well. Dude, 14 cents per 2 weeks. Actually, it's 17 cents now, right? Yeah, 16, 17 cents here. Hold on. What are we? Why? Where's my scroll button? There we go. What is this doing? No, I don't want... I didn't want both here. Wait, I only wanted calls. Alright, let's keep this normal. It was on calls, but it was showing me both. That was confusing. Yes, 17 cents actually. 16, 17 cents. So $4 calls, looking very good right there. That's 4% that you're making on a 2-week basis on those covered calls. So MPW not looking too bad at all. Of course, if you go a month out, right? Dude, look at this. You're making nearly 10%. Dude, that looks really good. 10% a month. Go 2 months out. Not as good. 10% on the month. Plus, you're getting a 17% dividend. MPW is ripping. Ripping the income, man. So, yeah, Frank, excellent job selling those covered calls on MPW there. Not only earning that dividend, but making a very nice premium on those covered calls. Bitcoin back above. No, it's not. Is it really? It's about to be. I don't know where you're looking at. It might be very close, especially if you're looking at crypto.com. It probably is already back up above there. Bitcoin sitting at $49,700, ripping right back, man. Killing all of the losses from today. Look at this. And coming back up all afternoon and all morning long. You had the inflation data this morning. Ripping the price lower from $50,000 down to $48,000. Nice 5% decline. Here we are right now. Been climbing our way back up for the last 5-6 hours. And Bitcoin getting ready to test $50,000 again, man. The strength is absolutely relentless in Bitcoin right now. I mean, you are talking a full-on greed, full-on, forget fear scale. Bitcoin is looking very strong. I have some trouble chatting with my wife. Does that help? Chris, man, it might help Tim. It might. Clay, have you heard anything on AVT? Been reading up on it. It's been around for a while. Plus, very low supply, very interesting. What do you think? No, I haven't heard anything on AVT, I don't think. If I have, I don't know the ticker offhand. No, I haven't heard about this. So let's see what they got going on. $8 million, almost $9 million market cap. And they have been around for a very long time. They had a nice little bull market rally in 2021, which is excellent to see. They set up double levels of support after that bear market began, down here at about 69.70 cents. Seems about 75 cents it may have fallen to. And then same deal here, about 70 cents that it fell to. And it's bounced back up nicely. I don't know if this is going to be a major gainer or not. You look at it, dude, and its all-time high is just a simple little $30 million market cap, which is still excellent. Man, dude, falling down to a $300,000 market cap. That was a steep decline during that bear market there. But yeah, I don't know if this is going to be one that rips higher or what they're doing, but they have made it. They've stayed around. And they've survived 2 very, very brutal bear markets. So that should be a testament to Aventus and the fact that they've got staying power at a minimum. And if they can stick around, dude, and you can hold their crypto without really worrying about a bear market, I'd say you're in good hands. Marty Inu is down 28.68%. What's going on, Clay? Wreck-It Force Photography, what's going on, man? Let's check out Marty Inu real quick for Biggable Coke there. I don't know if it was you guys or somebody else talking about Marty last week. Okay, Marty Eden on Solana, down 28%. Here we go. Man, that's the hourly chart, and it is down. Wow. Down. Okay, dude, this is interesting, man. It's down right back down to basically where this began. So that's a pretty bullish sign if you guys are looking at getting in. If it's able to get a second wind. It is down to a tiny $71,000 market cap. This was the gain, and of course the subsequent sell-off, which seems to happen every single time one of these new meme coins begins to soar up in value. So from the current levels, you would be looking at about a 10 to 11x increase to get back up to these highs that it hit, last week on February 5th, February 6th. So 10, 11x gain potential, taking it back up to about a $1 million market cap to get back up to those highs right there. But yeah, man, Marty Inu getting hit hard over the last couple of days, even getting hit hard today with a 30% daily decline. Catfish, man, this is trending now. Didn't we just look at this earlier today? Looked at Catfish earlier to Bitcoin. What do we got going on with Bitcoin? Harry Potter, what? Oh, jeez, dude. How many times do they use this? Harry Potter, Obama, something Inu, Sonic 10 Inu. Golly, dude. Planktos. Oh, man. $900,000 market cap on Planktos. I don't know if it's going to continue ripping up or not, but if you guys want to dip your toes in some hot lava, you can try and chase this one a little bit higher, as it has seen a very, very nice start, and it still is maintaining this trend line. You can see that the trend line still looks good as of right now. Don't know if it's going to keep up or not, but Planktos has not yet fallen back down below that ascending trend line. It's continued to hit higher and higher and higher lows. So that is a good sign. But of course, man, you just never know where this stuff's going to go. Opened a tiny Bitcoin short 2 days ago, and it ran against me. I dare it to liquidate my short at 58,700. Old rounder. I don't know if it's going to go to 58,700 or not, but hopefully you make out on it. So I think if you just open up a small short position to hedge against your longs, then you're probably going to be okay either way, man. How do you feel about the response to the Upside app post? 1,400 views so far. Yeah, falling down farms, man. The only thing that I don't want to do is begin essentially diluting the current things that I have going on. So, for example, I don't want it to turn into something where it's use Webull, use Amazon, go out and buy the Bro merch, the Shib merch, buy anything off of Amazon. Make sure to check out Audible. Make sure to check out Upside. Make sure to check this out. Check that out. And I don't want it to become too much. But yeah, if it does seem like, I'll let it run a little while longer, but if it seems like it's going to be something that people do want to use, and it's going to be able to generate another, $100 a month or whatever to burn Shiba Inu coin, or even more, then I'm definitely on board, man. I'm definitely on board with it. Bought SST a few days ago. Now it's time to sell up 64%. Giovanni, man. Beautiful gain. We'll look at SST. I was able to catch the video this morning with Cryptonomy link. I know we are supposed to run research, which I have. With that said, you are still both. So as of right now, yes, Johnny Quest. As of right now, man, I am still bullish, right, on Cryptonomy. You know that was a sponsored video from this morning, or a sponsored post in the video this morning. But what I have seen so far, right, I've had excellent communication with the person that I've been talking to at Cryptonomy. Anytime I've had a question, they've responded back to me. And very quickly, actually. It doesn't seem as though at least she works like after hours. So if I'm messaging her like 8 p.m. or whatever, I basically get a response whenever she gets in the morning. So I can't complain about that, dude. I don't expect people to work 24 hours a day. But as far as I know, like, communication has been great for me so far. I would honestly say, if you want my honest opinion on it, I don't think that those APYs that they have are going to be forever sustainable. And I know you've seen the Cryptonomy sponsored video on my channel, other channels as well. I truly feel like they're going on a little bit of a blitz with marketing right now, and they've also got those very heavy APYs. So I would actually expect to get in, probably do some flexible staking and so on, and then over time see those APYs drop down. Why do I expect them to drop down? Because, dude, 34% annualized interest on Shiba Inu coin, and I know you're splitting some of that with Cryptonomy, but that's a very high amount. So as of right now, the only thing that I have in terms of legitimate concerns would be seeing the APYs drop back down, right? So I would say go in, just dip your toes in the water. If you do get in, use my link that's in the description of that video, because it will severely help, especially if they want to do some more sponsored content and stuff. So that would be great. But, never go in, especially on any one platform. I got ripped on Voyager, right? And I had a lot on Voyager. Dude, Voyager was extremely simple to use. I liked their user interface because it was very simple. They had great APY on their Voyager coin, and you were making like 6% on USDC at the time. So yeah, dude, it was very, very nice, and I did have a lot on the Voyager app. So the lesson that I have learned is not only diversify the crypto that you own, diversify where you own that crypto as well. So, don't go out and put your entire house into cryptonomy. Get comfortable with it. Put a little there. Keep a little in a cold storage wallet. Keep it a little in Trust Wallet, MetaMask, so on. If you want to keep some on Crypto.com or Coinbase or wherever else you are, do it. But I would diversify where you hold on top of diversifying what you hold. It's just a prudent or a little bit more conservative way. But that's kind of like my legitimate thoughts on it without being sponsored. What I've seen so far, I do like. So, yeah, hopefully, Johnny, man, if you do use it, let me know what you guys think about it. Give me the feedback on it, absolutely. But, so far, I'm good with it, and I hope to continue being good with it. And I hope they're continue being good with all the bros as well, man. And they did say, and this isn't to encourage everybody to go sign up or anything like that. You can sign up, right? It is free to sign up. It's not like you got to go make deposits. But they did say that, if they meet certain thresholds and stuff like that, that they're willing to do giveaways specifically to people who watch my videos. So I don't know if it'll be in Shiba Inu coin, if it'll be in Bitcoin or USDT, or what it will be in, but they seem like they really want to grow right now, and they're willing to spend, and they're willing to advertise to grow. So they got giveaways down the line if things continue to work out very well and stuff like that. So hey, man, they might just be sitting on a lot of money and trying to gain new customers during this bear market, so they stand a chance during the bull market. It's a little dead. No faith in this project anymore. YNB. Now, I don't think that Terra Luna Classic is dead. Okay? I actually think it's a lot harder to kill the cryptocurrency than a lot of people think. Do I think that Terra Luna Classic is probably a zombie? Sure. I don't think that the current developer set is capable of doing what Do Kwon did. Now, I will say this, I don't even know if Do Kwon was capable of doing what Do Kwon did, and that's why the algorithm failed and USTC spiraled out of control. So please bear that in mind. I don't know if what Do Kwon set out to do is even possible, but I certainly don't believe the current development crew is going to be capable of doing that. So if you expect the revitalization of some sort of a financial ecosystem where you've got a $40 billion Terra Luna Classic and you've got USTC pegged at $1 and $20 billion sitting there, I would probably, not even being bearish on it, I would argue against that. I would say view Terra Luna Classic as something risky, but something that is still very well talked about, very well known, and does have a chance of doubling in price, tripling in price, quintupling in price, and so on. Me and my morning plays, yeah. Frank just over there making 17% annualized interest on MPW, bringing in another 10% monthly interest on MPW. Hey, bro, do you have any thoughts on Songbird Crypto? Deuce. No, but let's look up Songbird. Dude, I really cannot remember taking that Zyrtec. I cannot remember taking that Zyrtec, but I know I had to have taken it because the closet was closed. I cannot remember taking that Zyrtec, though. Strange, man. Maybe I didn't take it. I don't know. Maybe I did take it. Why would else the closet be closed? Wild. All right, let's look up Songbird real quick. I feel like I've looked this up before. What is it? Because this only has $45 in liquidity if you're talking about this one. This one's only got $17 in the liquidity pool if you're talking about this one. Deuce, man. I don't know if I'm pulling up the right Songbird. Dude, bird money, $609,000. That's not bad. I don't know if I'm looking up the right ones, man. I don't know if I'm looking up the right ones there. Clearly, these new Pepes on Solana are worth it. Ray. Yes, but just be careful, okay? I don't know what new Pepes are out right now. Let's look up the Solana network and see what stuff we got going on for Pepe. All right, 3 days ago, for example. Let's look at this one. 3 days ago, $3 million market cap right now. Let's look at the hourly chart so we can see this action. This is tough, man. This is tough. It's already back down, and you can essentially 10x to get back up to this level right here. So many times. Dude, if this coin does not get a second wind, if it does not get a second life, no, it's not worth it at this point, okay? It's going to continue falling and just die out. Yes, I've seen them a lot jump back up. With any new coin like this, Pepe, whatever, on the Solana network, this is the trend that you see, okay? This hourly trend is actually pretty well. You know, this hourly trend goes several days. The 10th almost through the entire 12th. It doesn't make it all the way to the 13th, but, you know, this is a 2-day trend where it's moving up. Very nice trend. Now, I don't know much about Pepe here, if it's related at all to the other Pepe, if this coin has a marketing team behind it, if this coin actually has a marketing budget, if they're on Twitter, or what the deal is. So, this is the graph, man, that you see with every single one of these new coins. It rises up nicely, falls out. The question that you need to ask, because more often than not, it's like right now, we're seeing these coins after they fall back down a little bit. The question is, will it get its second kick? A couple things that could lead to a second win or a second life or a second rally. How many people they have holding, I don't know here. But also the amount of activity that they've got out on X, and if they have a marketing budget or not. Smog, for example. I do want to look at Smog because Smog has pulled back. Smog's pulled back nicely to 3 cents from above 7 cents. So you're looking at this hourly chart here on Smog, and you see several major sales taking place over the last couple of days. This hour here, there was $220,000 sold, traded in this hour, but the vast majority were sells. This hour here, dropping back down, $388,000 in volume over this 1 hour period right here, with the majority being sells. Now, what do I know? Smog has sponsored some videos, right? Smog has a crazy marketing budget. The marketing budget for Smog is 50% of its entire supply. So Smog does have a lot of money for marketing, and I don't think all that money has been spent. So therefore, I do think that Smog can have a second chance at a rally here. I think that a lot of people sold off, took some profits, whatever, and I think that Smog could have a nice little chance at a second win. But you're talking about Pepe on Solana, that part I do not know. If it does, you're looking at potential 10x gains. If it doesn't, well, at least you got in at a price that is lower than already being down 90%. Looks like Clay and that guy have something in common. Memory issues. Yeah, dude. And you know what? I don't know why I can't picture myself taking it right now. I really don't. Yankee Cats. Oh my gosh. No, dude, it's my cup. It's not the kitty's cup. It's my cup. Kitty says, how you like the allergies, and closes the door. That pretty much is, Tim. That pretty much is what she says. I feel you about not remembering. I had to get a pill holder every day of the week. Sometimes I don't remember, and I believe it's a side effect from the medication. And it very well could be. I know the closet was closed, and the closet, I believe, was open earlier today. So unless the cat closed the closet, I would have taken that Zyrtec and then closed the closet afterwards. So based on that and that alone, I actually don't remember taking it, man, because those pills are so stinking tiny anyway. I actually don't remember taking it at all. Can't picture myself doing it. It's just completely not in my mind. But based on the closet being closed, I gotta say that I did. So I'm not gonna take another one. I'll take it tomorrow. If I start sneezing like crazy tonight, well, maybe I didn't take it. But as of right now, we're good. Oh, and then in between the live streams, I went over. My dad and my sister are working on a house and getting it ready to sell. My sister calls me up. Get over here. There's something in the attic. We need you to get it out. Dude, I went over there. I went in the attic. Sure enough, there was a big old squirrel up in the attic, and he was digging down. I think he was trying to get out of the soffit over on the one side of the house, and he's like, hey, what the heck are you doing up here? And then he walked over to the other side of the house and kind of dipped down in the soffit over there. So I think he was probably getting ready to leave after he saw that I was up in the attic as well. So very interesting afternoon today. Yeah, cat's messing with my memory and purring about it. And the cat very well could be doing that, man. I'm telling you. I might not be sneezing. My eyes might not be itching and watering right now. But, what is my name? What am I doing here? In the foothills of the... never mind. I'm not. YouTube, I'm being good. Being good, YouTube. Promise. Any thoughts on Paul Chain? Hey, you know what? RMB soul on. Yeah, I got two thoughts on Paul Chain. Number one, man, Paul Chain's community seems to me to be very welcoming, right? I've never had anything good said about me and so on from the Paul Chain community, so I really do like them. Number two, Paul Chain's setting out to become some sort of a multi-chain crypto. And if they can accomplish that, they're going to be doing very well. I don't know if they would be better off with a name change. Right now, they're heavily associated with like Shiba Inu coin, the meme coin space, being a paw, a dog, a so on. Dead serious, man. If you're any sort of a dog in the crypto space, people are essentially going to view you as a meme coin because of Shiba Inu coin and because of Dogecoin. So, but regardless, if they're able to do what they're setting out to do, I mean, dude, you're talking about a very, very large cryptocurrency project with a lot of utility. So, I just don't know if they're going to be able to accomplish it or not, dude. But yeah, I like Paul Chain right now. I don't own any, though. Let's see, I have one of those pill boxes too. Once you cross 45, crap gets real fuzzy, real fast. Bigable, man, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure things out, because it's easy to remember, it's easy to remember if I did it in the morning or something, right? Because I get my routine and just get up, shower, get ready, all that stuff. But doing it in the afternoon, I've been doing it in the afternoon because I figure, well, I'll spend a little more time with the cat in the afternoon. So maybe it's a little more potent right after you take it or within a couple hours of taking it. So, evening time, afternoon time will be good, and it'll be a little stronger in my system at that point in time. The problem is the afternoons aren't very routine, so you don't really remember if you took it or not. Old Rounder, I swear by it. What did he say? Tim, I have some Shilajit. Not kidding. What did he say? Hey, you know what, Tim? I did read that, right? And I want to know what you think, okay? And I don't know to what capacity it would help. If anybody else ever takes it or has been on it for a while or utilizes it, dude, do you think that it would help my grandpa at all? Just make things a little bit more clear, or whatever. Like, what if you guys seen any sort of benefits in that category with Sheila G? Not really worried about any of the inflammation or arthritis or anything like that, but more of just the cognitive clarity and stuff. If you guys have noticed a difference because of that, let me know, dude, because anything that helps is better than nothing that helps. Hey, can I send a super chat regarding the donation efforts for honorarium token with some info? Suzuki, you can send a super chat with information regarding anything you want. If it's political in nature, I may read, I may just not read the full names of people. If it has bad words in it, I'm not going to be reading the names of the bad words. But, yes, dude, you can send a super chat with anything you want. Just know that some stuff, because YouTube is very weird, I might say DT, JB, and so on, instead of full names, so that YouTube thinks I'm talking about somebody in the chat. Hey, bro, anybody up to speed on Shibarium and Paul Swap? What do you mean up to speed, Tony? Have you tried Flonase for the pets? Works great for me. But you know what, Maurice? I've been doing a lot better than I was last month, man. I really have. Yo, bros, when AEG goes public sale, check it out. AEG, guys. Make sure to check out AEG. Write that one down. Hope Bitcoin stays higher so the alts can continue pumping. Roulette wheel. I also hope that as well, but I'm a little nervous, man. I'm nervous about March, okay? I'm nervous about March, especially with today's inflation report. With today's inflation report coming in worse than expected, I am a little nervous that March, the interest rate may not be lowered, okay? That we might still be sitting on an increased interest rate, or I guess a stagnant interest rate in March there. Peppermint oil, when diffused, peppermint oil can help clear congestion and relieve stuffed sinuses caused by cat allergies. Lavender oil has anti-inflammatory... Dude, I'm going to tell you this. Yeah, Rodney, my mom is big into the essential oils and stuff, and I do have some peppermint. It's Breathe, so it's peppermint and some other stuff that's in it there. And I'll agree. That's like you're on the same lines as Vicks Vapor Rub and stuff. So peppermint, Breathe, all that, I'm down for that. But, dude, I might be, and she claims to think, you can't be allergic to the oil. Dude, I rub some lavender on, and I want to start sneezing near immediately. So I do have lavender. I've got Breathe. I've got clove. I got a lot of those oils. But dude, lavender, man. I'm telling you right now, I can put some of that on and almost immediately start sneezing. So I know you can put that on, and it's supposed to help you fall asleep or whatever. But dude, if you can't breathe because you can't stop sneezing, it's not good. But Rodney, I do agree with you on that. You're right, but the lavender might not be for me. I'll be 53 tomorrow. Yankee, will you please remind us that tomorrow is your birthday so that I can sing to you on your birthday tomorrow? I would love to sing happy birthday to Yankee on his birthday. Happy birthday, if I forget to say it tomorrow. Well, Biggable, that's why. I don't want to sing it today. I want to sing it on his birthday. So I want Yankee to remind us. Hero, not medical advice. Dude, if you guys don't know by now that nothing is ever advice in this chat, man, I gotta hit you in the head a little harder or something. But I have noticed a good amount of cognitive help. Now I have 2 TBIs, and after I got off the pharma, Sheila G is 5 times better. Just tastes like scorched ape armpits. Tim, do they make a capsule so you don't have to taste it, or is it just a powder? Because the stuff I've seen, it looks like a powder, right? Do they make a capsule so you don't have to taste it, or what are we gonna have to do here, man? Because yeah, if anybody else that has ever taken it swears by it as well, let me know, man. Because I think that it would be something that I should probably try. Was so excited about Shibarium and Paul Swap, but it seems like some BS now. Shib Dev Team. Tony D. I'll agree with you, right? I don't think that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is necessarily all there. When I picture the ecosystem team, okay, I picture some girl that lives maybe in, gosh, dude, I don't know where she lives. I don't know if she's like Eastern European or if she's somewhere else. But I listen to the space chats. I don't know where she's from. If you guys know where Lucy's from, let me know. But I picture people from all over Europe who've never met each other, who've never really coordinated on a call with just themselves, who've never really sat down and developed a business plan, trying to claim to be an ecosystem development team. You know, I don't think that Cal has ever really talked voice to voice with Shitoshi. I don't think Shitoshi has ever been met by anybody on this ecosystem team. I don't think that Shitoshi has ever met any of the projects that they've done brand deals with. What I think you have is a bunch of kids who are slightly unorganized, trying to create something by being 100% anonymous and 100% online. Are you able to do it? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. You know, I've never met any of you guys. I have met people out there, you know, they've subscribed to the channel. They know I'm real. I am real. But at the same time, you know, it is very difficult to develop a multi-billion-dollar project if you're not like real. You understand what I'm saying? If you're not committed. And I don't think that they are, dude. I really don't think that they are. Let's see. Clearbro, my ex-wife, is into that oil thing, but she's also an earther, a.k.a. hippie. Well, you know what? Yeah, man. Biggable Coke, dude. A lot of that oil stuff, okay. I don't know about everything, but what the stuff you read, dude, like, you know, being able to absorb things through your feet or rubbing some oil on, just the incense of being able to smell it. You know, I can understand how it does have an effect or a calming effect and stuff like that. And dude, Vicks Vapor Rub, we know it works, dude. It's going to clear you up just simply smelling that stuff. So I know that peppermint oil works as well. Happy birthday, Yankee. Heck yeah. Yo, quick question. I just came across Ordi. Will it be the next Bitcoin? Outdoor Smile. We've looked at that a couple times on here. I don't know if it's going to be the next Bitcoin, man. I don't know if anything is ever going to be the next Bitcoin. But let's take a look at Ordi real quick and just see where it's at today and see what the price action's looking like. Because it is a popular one. I'm pretty sure it's trended several times on KuCoin. But it's got a $1.4 billion market cap. It's down 4% on the day today. It's had a beautiful week going from $54 up to $68. The month, it is back down a little bit. The all-time graph, okay? The all-time graph takes you back to May of 2023, where it was basically stagnant, doing nothing at $3, and ripped up nearly 30x over that time frame. And the rally that started in Bitcoin in October with all of the ETF speculation drove the price of Ordi wild. It went from $3 all the way up to about $90. Is it the next Bitcoin, man? I don't know if anything is the next Bitcoin. But what I do know is if this is on my watch list. If this comes back down ever, if there's some sort of a mass Bitcoin sell-off because of a dollar liquidity issue, and this comes back down even to the $20 area, or especially back down into this area, I am adding that to my portfolio. It is on my watch list, ready to go. It's just, I'm not pulling the trigger when it's sitting here at all-time highs like that. Let's see. How do we know we're not suspending a pot of pink goo? How do we know anything, Biggable Coke? How do we know anything? Suzuki! Lee, thank you very much for the super chat regarding the honorarium coin market cap listing fee. If 7 people donated $101 to the USDT wallet, it would close 50% of the balance, and I will pledge and send the rest to pay the coin market cap fee as soon as possible, minutes afterwards. Holy moly. Suzuki stepping up in a big way. Oh man, Suzuki wants to see his bags pump. Suzuki wants to see that coin market cap listing. Suzuki, I think Dark Bro has mentioned this a couple times, and it remained anonymous, right? About who would be willing to close that gap there, who would be willing to pledge the rest of the fee, and I think that is absolutely incredible. So the 42 people in here, if you guys are interested in honorarium, okay? Honorarium is honorarium or Dark Bro's coin that he has created. It is not yet listed on CoinMarketCap. It is currently sitting, hold on, I gotta pull it up here, clicked on the wrong button. It is currently sitting at about 1150 or 1150 right here, 1153 points per coin. It's got $13,000 in the liquidity pool, a $119,000 market cap. The volume's at $322, but only really the bros know about it. And it's got a decent overall price chart. Okay, a lot of people expecting 10 plus X gains if it does get listed on CoinMarketCap. Suzuki has just brought it to our attention. And let me explain CoinMarketCap real quick for those that might not know. To go along with Suzuki's super chat right there. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, a lot of these places only list your cryptocurrency if you pay them $5,000 to list your cryptocurrency. What does it look like when it gets listed? Come over here, recently added. It's going to pop up on the recently added page. A lot of people use this page right here to find new cryptocurrencies, and they go in there and they buy them based on this CoinMarketCap listing. I don't know what their actual analytics are, but I'm sure tens of thousands of people are looking at this page every single day to see newly listed coins. Now, of course, you can scroll down and you can see all of these. So honorarium would be listed on there as long as it takes. I don't know how many people actually scroll down to the second, third page, and so on. But honorarium would be, I guess, visible to a lot of new eyes. Now, because they charge $5,000, and there's no sort of a marketing budget for honorarium or anything like that, there has been a wallet set up, people donating, Dark Bro trying to raise some money in order to get that listed. It does cost $5,000. Suzuki apparently claiming that they will pledge and send the rest of the CoinMarketCap fee minutes after the first half is raised. So if $2,500 is raised, Suzuki, man, might be stepping up big time. Nice. We already have Brocoin. It's called honorarium. There you go, roulette wheel. Bro, sell me some. The famous ones? What are you looking for? The website is vivly.com. Tim, you talking about the Shilajit? YouTube getting super or stupid when ads hit. Guys, just watch the ads. That's all you got to do. Make sure you get that penny. Make sure you get that penny over there. Pepe the Pepe Solana is up 400%. Check it out. Big Coke, absolutely. Shayna says, nice new banana. Thank you very much, Shayna. Nice new green name. Shayna winning that green name the other day when Kenbro throwing 5 green names out there. And a beautiful banana from Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile, I'm not sure if you're still in here yet or if you're still in here or not. But thank you to Outdoor Smile for throwing the banana up in the background right there. And anybody else want to throw some neon lights over to the PO box? I'll put them up in the background as long as I have a place to plug them in. I'm running out of places to plug things in. Oh well, Dark Bro minted a coin. Tony D. Yes, Dark Bro's got a coin honorarium, and it's actually doing very well, man. It isn't always guaranteed. It will pump. Oh, roulette wheel. For sure, man. For sure. That's a fact, right? You know, look at these right here. Over the last 24 hours, right? Moby listed on CoinMarketCap 11 hours ago. Let's just pull up the contract address. I have no idea what Moby is, man. But we'll pull up the contract address right here. Let's see if it did anything out on Dex Tools. All right. So, yeah, Moby, it's been out for a couple of days. It's got a lot of money in the liquidity pool already. And you know what? Actually, listed on CoinMarketCap, it didn't do too bad today. So it got listed 11 hours ago, and it ran from 55 cents up to 83 cents. Roughly 50% gain, a little over 50% gain. But it's actually not that easy for this coin to gain because it's already got a $2 million in the liquidity pool, and it's sitting on a $10 million market cap at these levels. So a much smaller coin would probably be a lot easier to pump. So TMNT, $30,000 in volume. Let's see if these guys pumped at all. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's see if they did anything. They got listed on CoinMarketCap, and they're up 13% right now. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap, but they've been out apparently for a month. And it does not seem as though this did anything. They had a little bit of a rally right here, going from 3 zeros and a 3 up to 3 zeros and a 4. So maybe a 20 to 30% gain in TMNT or Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles right there because of the CoinMarketCap listing. So Roulette Wheel is being realistic, right? You look at all of these coins. Now, Catfish, we did look at Catfish earlier because it was trending. I don't know if Catfish is just ripping because it's a new Solana coin or if Catfish is ripping because of the CoinMarketCap listing there. But, yeah, dude, a lot of these coins, Baby T out there. Baby T getting $107,000 in volume. This is actually the lowest volume. White Dragon here. CoinMarketCap listing, but only $3,000 in volume. That one's kind of hard to understand. And maybe not. That's volume over the last 24 hours, and it got listed 4 days ago. Let's see if this did anything when it got listed 4 days ago. This one could have, man. This one got listed 4 days ago, and then subsequently rallied from 12 zeros and a 12 to 12 zeros and a 2.9. So this one nearly doubled, almost tripled in price the day that it got listed on CoinMarketCap. And then everybody dumped off. And you had a major decline. They brought it back down to $8,000 in market cap there. Dinner is, I forget how to say this, Wagyu skirt steak, carne asada. Tim, man, very nice. Grilled cheese, sloppy joe, cottage pie, empanadas, South Dakota casserole. What is happening right now? Are we just naming food? Is everybody just naming food? Is that what we got going on? Cattle ranching, beef. It's what's for dinner. That sounds delicious, man. If interested, we can have a live chat right after Claybro stream on the Discord server. Absolutely, man. Make sure to check it out. One honorarium live space. Outdoor Smile. I'm starving now. Yeah, what the heck just happened, dude? All these people coming in here and talking about food? Man. Grilled cheese, sloppy joe, cottage pie, whatever the heck that is. Empanadas, South Dakota casserole. Man. Peter! Good day, mate. How are you, Peter? Glad to have you in here. Peter is from Perth, Australia. Or he lives in Perth, Australia. He's from UK, I believe. Peter, I remembered, and I do know that it is morning for you. So good morning, Peter. Hopefully you're going to have a great day today. Let's see. Dinner ideas. Oh, gotcha. Dinner ideas for Pudgy. Now I understand. Dinner ideas for Pudgy. Pudgy, dude. Fried rice, man. Fried rice. Just take some rice that you already have. If you're needing ideas, you probably might be running out of time or something. Just grab some rice. I'm sure you've got some brown rice or white rice in the cupboard already. Get it going, and then whatever you got, dude. Whatever you got, just throw it in there. You can never miss with fried rice. Never miss with fried rice. It's true. You can't miss with fried rice. Oh, Tim, I learned how to make my own sausage and chorizo this last weekend. Oh my gosh. I don't want to think about butchering any pigs or anything like that, but I will definitely be eating any bacon, any sausage, any of that stuff. Right, when someone kicks out the current dev team, that is when. Go to B-Dubs and get some Asian Zing wings. Kenbro! I didn't even know Kenbro was in here, man. Kenbro, come on. You guys are... Dude, I ask you guys a question, nothing. You guys start talking about food, everybody's getting involved. Chicken fried rice. Absolutely. Roulette wheel. If you got some chicken, dude, throw it in there, man. Fried rice is the way to go. I go for some lamb chops, dude. Oh, my gosh, dude. I don't even know what I'm going to be eating tonight, but I hope it's good. I hope it's good because you guys are starting to make my mouth water, and I need it to be good. Yeah. Every time I try to add to Discord, it says expired invalid. Is that me? No, Maurice. That's me. The Discord links never stay more than a couple days. Let me see if I can get you that link real quick. I gotta log in, so hopefully I remember my login on the first try. Okay, log in. Yes. Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Dude, first try. It's too easy now. It's too easy now. I need to come here. Yeah. Okay. If you want to join the Discord, the link is pinned to the top of the screen. Also, because I know you guys love supporting the channel, right? I did a sponsored video. It's got links for Cryptonomy in it this morning. So make sure that you guys go through and at least click those links, okay? If you want to sign up for an account, that probably pads the stats a little bit more. And they might be willing to do some more sponsored videos in the future. But if you guys would at least just click on those links so they know that you guys are engaging with them. You don't have to deposit any crypto if you don't like them. You don't have to do any of that stuff. But I would very much appreciate just some engagement with those links so that they would consider sponsoring a future video. And all you guys got to do is simply click a link to make it happen. It's fried, not fwied. Oh, it could be both. According to the Chinese lady at the restaurant, it's fwied. Dude, I don't care what they call it. It's delicious, man. Shit, it's always a party at Tim's Ranch. Yes, it is always a party at Tim's Ranch, man. Clicked on all... Maurice! Boom, baby! Now, that's what I'm talking about. Maurice showing that major support right there. Promoting the bros. Heck yeah. Maurice, dude, thank you very much for that. Tony D! Tony D knows what time it is. If you guys are going to click on those links, let me know in the description below. Let me know in the comments right now as we're signing off. And you're going to get a shout out. You're going to get a shout out either way, man. But I will appreciate it if you guys are going to click on those links and you let me know down there. But get your names in that chat any way possible. We'll do some shout outs. And then, of course, we're going to be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Watch them 100 times. Make sure to leave a comment. Share them on Stock Twits. All that good stuff. And we got a shout out to Tony D, man. Tony, see you later. Peter, have a great day today. Roulette Wheel, enjoy your evening, man. Pudgy, see you later. Outdoor Smile. Shayna, party at Tim's Ranch, always. Maurice, have a great day, man. And thank you once again. Biggable Coke, have a great one. Clay Bro, see you later. Roulette Wheel, enjoy your evening. Tim, see you later. Maurice, thank you very much. Biggable Maurice, Tony D, peace out to you. Tim, see you later, man. Pudgy, have a great one. Jeff Fentho, see you later, Jeff. Bender, peace out to you. Biggable Coke, Roulette Wheel. Timmy, throwing that green name out there. Who's going to get it? 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 Tony D got that green name, man. I like it. Tony D grabbing that green name. Tony, that means you got to keep coming back, man. It means you got to keep coming back. Be active in the chat with that green name. Tim, thank you very much. Tony, thank you very much for grabbing that. Suzuki, man, have a great evening. If any of you guys want to chat with Suzuki on the Discord, make sure you guys hit him up in a couple of minutes right now. Tony D, see you later. Johnny Quest, have a great evening. Tim's or Pudgy, see you later. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.